Carl Gustav Jung. I personally suspect that synchronicity is facilitated by the existence of a higher order of symmetry that extends from our internal to our external experiences, and these experiences are precipitated when we build a bridge between the conscious and subconscious mind, a process Jung called individuation. The symmetry is alluded to by the popular glyph of synchronistic experience as 1111. This article offers solid support for this theory in more technical depth than I could have offered.
The symmetries of the universe. There are many complex laws that seemingly govern our universe. Conservation of energy, of momentum, general relativity, the standard model of particles. Yet all this complexity emerges from a deeper, purer concept, of which all these laws are only consequences: symmetry. In mathematics, a symmetry is a transformation which leaves an object unchanged. Studying the symmetries of the universe allows us to understand in a deep way the origin of the laws which govern it. It is because the universe has symmetries that the objects it contains, in order to respect these symmetries, obey physical laws. Be it conservation of energy or momentum, objects obey these laws only to respect underlying symmetries, intrinsic to the universe.
During the course of the reading, when we encounter interesting subjects such as Finnegan's Wake, a nearly impossible work where James Joyce used polyglot and portmanteau words to create a spiraling metaphysical masterpiece in holographic prose, we will zoom in to examine these supporting subjects in depth. Before we begin, though, we are demonetized, so please like, share, and subscribe, and consider becoming a patron. Your contribution allows us to continue providing revolutionary, world-changing content. Synchronicity, Isomorphism, and the Implicate Order, Notes on Jung and Quantum Mechanics by Robert Anton Wilson. No concept in Jungian psychology creates more controversy than the idea of synchronicity. To mention the subject at all is to be immediately classified as loony by such groups as the Committee for Scientific Investigation of Claims of the Paranormal, whose very synchronistic acronym, PSYCOP, seems a bit self-defeating. Yet, paradoxically, no other Jungian theory has aroused more enthusiasm among artists, writers, mystics, and strangely, quantum physicists. If there's any truth in the synchronicity model, which could be defined as psychologically induced space-time relativity, it explains perhaps even more than Jung himself realized. If there's no truth in it, it must count as the most plausible error of the 20th century. Let us examine some examples of alleged synchronicity and of seemingly related phenomena and gradually draw our own conclusions. Dune's precognition. In 1902, the aeronautical engineer J.W. Dune had a vivid nightmare in which he saw a French-speaking island and in dream logic knew that a city there was about to be destroyed by a